I'm Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about what it means to be a builder's preferred lender and ultimately what's in it for you, right? So let's talk about how you sniff this out, whether it's the Mortgage Mark team as a preferred lender for a builder or just some other in-house lender that you're talking to for another builder. What's the pros and cons? What do you need to know? And really, how do you detect if it's truly something in your best interest? So very, very simply, builders will have preferred lenders because it does a couple of things for them. One, if they got a good one, and most of them do, right? If they got a good one, they know, like, and trust. They know when we say yes to a loan, like they're about to sell you a house and take that house off the market to where, all these other people no longer can make offers on it. So for them to take it off the market, they want to make sure you're good, right? And if the lender's providing a yes when it's really a no, or even a no, if they say, hey, you can't buy when you could, they're missing that opportunity too. So it's really important to have a very good lender to make sure they got qualified buyers that want to buy the house and can buy the house. That's number one reason why builders want to have an in-house lender. Number two is, again, it helps their processes, right? If they're selling, tens and hundreds of thousands of homes a year, they're going to want to, the best they can, keep it with one entity to say, not only is it somebody they know, like, and trust, but that they know their process. Every builder is going to be a little different, same with lenders, and they have that relationship so that they can make sure it flows smoothly through the process, right? So they can call one person and get an update on anything they need to know. And lastly, what's probably the most important thing for them is if something goes wrong, they know the lender can, actually pick up the phone and will call and be proactive. And if there's something that needs to be discussed, they have the relationship where they feel comfortable to where if the in-house lender says, I can get this done, give them a little more time, we're working on something, somebody lost their job or something happened, it gives that builder the comfort and security knowing that, again, they got a qualified person. So imagine some stranger, they say, big bank X lender can do this. You just don't know that person, doesn't have that same trust. So those are reasons why builders want you to use their in-house lender. For the in-house lenders, there's different ways to structure it. So some are actually part of the same company. Some of the really big names in the building community, they own the mortgage company. They have a financial incentive for you to use them. Does that mean you should or shouldn't? It just depends. A lot of times they'll throw the kitchen sink at you and say, here's like $10,000 to use our in-house person. A lot of times that's wonderful and it really is to your benefit as a buyer. Other times, guys, they're just tacking it on, whether it's in the rate or charging you other bogus fees to compensate and offset that credit. That's what you got to be careful on. So as the in-house preferred for number builders, we face that every single day. I can tell you right now, I promise we're not doing anything goofy. We take great care of you guys and they keep us around because we're really good at our jobs. We close on time, we close smooth, and we make them look good with our endorsement, right? So they're putting their reputation to introduce us. So I would talk to any in-house lender, even if you're working with us and you go look at another builder, I will tell you personally, go get the estimate or talk to them and let's figure out what they're offering and compare apples to apples. We want to earn your business, right? But we want ultimately what's best for you. So do talk to your in-house lenders, find out what it is. A lot of them do have incentives, whether they pay for title. Sometimes the builder pays for something, sometimes the lender pays for something. Sometimes it's a combination of both. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not. So get your information, talk to a lender, find a lender that you know, like, and trust that can help you just run through the details and just sort out all the extra and just really brass tacks tell you what it is you're paying and if it's worth it. So if you have any questions, you can call us, email us, whatever you want to do. Find us at mortgagemark.com and let us know how we can help.